In this video, I'll show you how to configure SSO authentication for AcademyOcean using Microsoft and the SAML authorization. Let's start by creating a new application in Microsoft. Sign in to the Microsoft Azure portal, navigate to Enterprise Application and open the list of all applications. Then, click Create New Application and select Create Your Own Application. Here, you need to enter a name to the application, for example, AcademyOcean SSO, and choose Integrate any other application you don't find in the gallery. Then, click Create. Once the application has been created, you can proceed with configuring Single Sign-On. Open the Single Sign-On settings and select SAML. Then, open Basic SAML configuration by clicking Edit. Next, open AcademyOcean in a new browser tab and navigate to the SAML authorization in the settings of your Academy. Click Create and use SAML. In the AcademyOcean settings, you will find two main parameters: Service Provider Identifier and Consumer Service URL. Copy these values and paste them into the corresponding files in the Basic SAML configuration section in Microsoft. Identifier we add here, and then click Add Identifier. After that, we copy the URL and also add it to reply URL. After filling the fields, save your changes by clicking Save. Now you need to transfer Microsoft information back to AcademyOcean. To do this, open the Identifier Provider metadata. We need XML metadata, and we need to paste it into the corresponding SAML settings fields in the AcademyOcean. We copy metadata URL and add it to metadata URL. Then we add provider certificate from the AR file and click Create. After completing the configuration, review all settings and click Publish. Please note, once a connection has been created, its settings cannot be added. If changes are required, you will need to delete the existing connection and create a new one. You can also configure additional user attributes. This step is optional and it's only required if you want user data to be automatically transferred to AcademyOcean during login. To do this, return to the SSO settings in Microsoft and open the Attributes and Claims. Just click Edit. In the Name Identifier format field, select Email Address. Here you need to check Name Identifier must be email address, source attribute, user principal name. If you're currently using persistence value or the default settings, it must be replaced with email address. Next, we can create an additional attribute. To do this, click Add New Claim. If we want to add first name, type first name in the fields of name and choose Attribute User Given Name. Then click Save. If we want to add last name, paste last name in the fields Name and choose Attribute User's Name. Then click Save. You need to also add email in additional claim. Just click Add New Claim, put email in the field's name and choose user person name as attribute. Then click Save. After adding all required attributes, save your changes. Once the configuration is completed successfully, a SSO login button will appear on the AcademyOcean login page. When a user clicks this button, they will be automatically redirected to the Microsoft authentication page. After a successful sign-in, the user will gain access to Academy without entering a separate username and password. I hope this helps and good luck with your Academy!